Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm really happy you're here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to practice English with us. This is your safe and friendly space to learn.
Hello everyone, I'm Tom, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're listening right now, you're already taking a great step toward improving your English.
Tom, it's wonderful to have you here. Thank you for being part of today's episode.
Thank you, Mrs. English. I'm really happy to be here and to practice English together with everyone listening. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support really helps us create more content for you. Yes, and if you know someone who is learning English, please share this video with them. Learning is always better when we learn together. Today, we're focusing on daily English sentences you must practice. These are simple sentences that help you speak naturally and confidently in everyday life. So don't rush. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and feel free to pause the video whenever you need more time. Let's start with morning and daily routine English. Good morning. I hope you have a great day. Repeat it slowly and clearly. I wake up early every day. Say it again. I start my day with a positive mindset. Very good. Take a breath. I am getting ready for work. You can also say, I am getting ready for school. I eat a healthy breakfast. Nice and clear. I am on my way now. Repeat it one more time. I will be there in a few minutes. Great job! These sentences are perfect for daily practice. Now, let's move into common conversation English. Imagine you're talking to a friend or a colleague. How are you doing today? Pause and repeat. I'm doing well, thank you. You can also say, I'm doing great. What are you up to? Repeat it slowly. I'm just working on something. Very natural English. That sounds interesting. Say it again with confidence. Can you help me with this? Very useful sentence. Of course, I'd be happy to help. Excellent work so far. If this video is helping you, please like it and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us. And don't forget to share this video with your friends or family who want to improve their English. Now, let's practice English for confidence and motivation. Say these sentences slowly and believe them. I believe in myself. Repeat it again. I am improving my English every day. Even small progress matters. Making mistakes helps me learn. Mistakes are part of learning. I am not afraid to speak English. Say it with confidence. Practice makes me better. Yes, practice is the key. I will never give up on learning English. Wonderful. Take a moment to breathe. Now, let's practice polite and social English. These sentences help you sound respectful. Excuse me, can you please help me? Repeat it slowly. Thank you so much. Very polite. I really appreciate it. Great job. Sorry for the inconvenience. Say it calmly. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Let's practice some workplace English. These are helpful in professional situations. I'll get back to you soon. Repeat it. Let me check and confirm. Very professional. I'll send you an email. Good. Please let me know if you have any questions. Excellent sentence. Thank you for your time. Well done. Now, let's revise a few sentences together. Repeat after us. I am improving my English every day. I am not afraid to speak English. Practice makes me better. I believe in myself. Great work. Before we finish, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who are learning English. Your support helps us reach more learners around the world. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We're proud of you for practicing. Keep learning and keep speaking. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and stay confident. Bye for now. Keep practicing every day.